Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. I am Siddharth Hazra. I'm an SD at Geeks for Geeks. Besides that, I'm also a candidate master and an ACM ICPC regionalist. Today, we would be discussing the problem maximum sum problem. So, now let us see this problem. So, here we are told that we are given a value x, and then x can be broken down into x by 2, x by 3 and x by 4, and they need to be added up. Okay, now again they can be recursively broken. Like let's say this value x divided by 2 by 2 added to x divided by 2 by 3 added to x divided by 4 by 4, and all these values and we would be taking the integer of it, and we need to tell the maximum value that we are getting. You won't understand this unless you see an example. So see, the example is that we get a value known as 12. Okay, either we can take up this value or we can break it down to what? 12 by 2. Okay, then we have 12 by 3, and then we have 12 by 4, and the values are 6, 4 plus 3. And what is the value that is resultant out of this? That is 13. So here we had 12, here we have 13. Which is more? 13. So as of now, the answer is 13 to us because we need to return the maximum sum. Okay. Now, again, let's do this for 6. 6 would be 6 by 2 is equals to 6 divided by 2 added to 12, 6 divided by 3 added to 6 divided by 4, and this would contribute to 4 divided by 2 added to 4 divided by 3 added to 4 divided by 4, and this would be 3 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 4, and this would result down to 3 plus 2 plus 1, and this would result to something known as 2 plus 1 plus 1, integer part of it, 1 plus 1 plus 0. Okay, now if you observe 3 plus 2 5, 6, 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 4 and then 2. Okay, and this we have 12, which is less than this, so we would consider this as the answer. So if you observe, we are recursively breaking it down, and the point which gives me answer, the maximum point which gives me answer would be my solution. So what we can do instead is we can start building out from the back, like the value of 0. There is no point in breaking down the 0. Okay, value of 0 is 0. The value of 1 is, if we break 1, then it would be less. So we know that 1, because 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 0, taking the integer part of it, and 1 is greater than that, either the given number or after breaking it. Whichever is greater, we would take that. So the value answer for 0 and 1 is there. So now we would start building out from the back. For answer 2, what is the answer? So either it is 2 or 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 3 0. 2 divided by 4 0. So it is 1. For 2 the answer is 2. So see how making out the answer from the lower value to the large value is more feasible, because we would be using the lower values. Okay, like if we are climbing up, see, it's like to get the value x, we need the values of x by 2, x by 3 and x by 4. Okay, but if we start building from the bottom, then to get the value, first we would build out this, so that when we build out this, these values would already be available. मतलब होता क्या है, बड़े अर्थात हिंदी में समझा जाए तो बड़ी वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए छोटी वैल्यू पे जाना पड़ रहा है। सो बेटर अप्रोच इज छोटी वैल्यूज पहले से ही कैलकुलेट रखे, क्योंकि बड़ी वैल्यू के लिए छोटे वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ रहा है, फिर थोड़ा नीचे आ रहे फिर छोटी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना पड़ रहा है, फिर थोड़ी नीचे आ रहे छोटे वैल्यूज को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ रहा है। इवन इफ यू डोंट नो डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग, लाइक दिस इज बेसिकली द एसेंस ऑफ डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर बिगिनर्स, बट दिस प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड। बड़े वैल्यूज को बिल्ड करने के लिए छोटे वैल्यूज बिल्ड करके लाने पड़ रहे हैं। सो बेटर सोल्यूशन वुड बी, पहले मैं छोटे वैल्यूज भी बिल्ड कर लो, सो दैट बड़े वैल्यूज को जब बिल्ड करेंगे तो छोटे वैल्यूज अपने आप यूज हो सकते हैं। नाउ लेट्स डू दिस। वी वुड से if n is, like, let's just do this. So we would make a int like memo array of size n plus 1. Simple enough, like memo array. And then we would write memo array of 0 is equal to 0 and memo array of 1 is equals to 1. Then after that, for int I is equals to 2, I is less than equal to n and I plus plus. If after doing all of this, dp of I is equals to max of whatever is already there, and we have the lower values already calculated, so we don't need to take problem about that. dp of I plus 2, dp of I divided by 3 plus dp of I divided by 4. We would be doing all of this, and then at the end we would be returning dp of the value n. Now let's just compare it and see how many errors are we making. Okay, so let's just make it the value dp, because I'm more accustomed to writing dp again and again. Let's just write dp here. Now let's just compare it and see how many errors are we making. Okay, okay, so that was the solution. This is an essence of dynamic programming. Like, if you already know dynamic programming, this problem is very easy to solve. But even if you don't know dynamic programming or don't have any idea of it, if you just know simple recursion also, then also this problem gives you what really is dynamic programming. So that's it from my side. Take care.